हेलो एंड वेलकम टू क्रिकेट फ्लेवर्स एवरीवन। तो आज हम तेंदुलकर फैंस के लिए एक बहुत ही स्पेशल डे है बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स इट इज सचिन तेंदुलकर्स बर्थडे टुडे। मैं तो इसे सचमच मानती हूँ, यू नो, लाइक क्राइस्ट बर्थ इज क्रिसमस एंड सचिन्स बर्थडे इज सचमच, एंड आई कॉल माई सेल्फ अ टेंडियन बिकॉज तेंदुलकर प्लस इंडियन, टेंडियन। I have been a Tendulkar fan since I was a very little girl, like 10 years old. और तब से ही मैं इसको एक फेस्टिवल की तरह मनाती आ रही हूँ। Not to mention आजकल तो ये आता भी एक फेस्टिवल के दौरान है जो इंडिया का क्रिकेट फेस्टिवल है यानी IPL। तो here's wishing all Tendulkar fans congratulations and here's wishing the Master Blaster himself a very happy birthday and many more to come. But today we are not here to talk about Sachin Tendulkar. We are here to talk about Shivam Dube. Yesterday's match, CSK versus LSG, was a match to watch. One of the many last over thrillers that IPL has to offer, especially this year. लेकिन जहां स्टोइनिस ने एक सेंचुरी मारकर अपनी टीम को जिता दिया and Ruturaj Gaikwad and Shivam Dube के knocks came in a losing cause, we cannot undermine the importance of these two and their knocks, especially Shivam Dube because he is a player that's a contender for India's T20 squad that goes to the World Cup this year. So here's why I very strongly feel that he should be taken to the T20 World Cup as the batting bowling all-rounder that he is. So this year's IPL has many players performing really brilliantly, and I'm talking and focusing more on the Indian players. There are uncapped players like your Riyan Parag, your Abhishek from SRH, your Shashank from Punjab Kings, who are doing a phenomenal job for their teams. वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट नॉक्स खेलकर और बहुत ही स्पेशल नॉक्स खेलकर लाइमलाइट और स्पॉटलाइट में आए हुए हैं। However, these are not players that can be called as contenders for the World Cup squad because ये players inexperienced हैं in terms of international sides on international pitches, and I'm talking non-Indian grounds, outside India grounds. So yes, while they are very special, their talent is appreciated, their knocks are much hyped, in players को T20 स्क्वाड में जगह मिलना मुश्किल है। लेकिन शिवम दुबे एक ऐसे प्लेयर हैं जो ऑलरेडी इस कंटेंशन में है फ्रॉम बिफोर द IPL स्टार्टेड बिकॉज ही प्लेड अ वेरी अमेजिंग नॉक और रादर सीरीज ऑफ नॉक्स in the series against Afghanistan that recently concluded just before the IPL. That was the last T20 series that we had, that India had. और उस series में Shivam Dube was the man of the series. First two matches में he made a 60 of 40 balls and a 63 of 32 balls. So not only did he play a very important knock, his strike rate was also really amazing. And then while he is a left-handed batter, his bowling is right arm medium pace. और उस bowling की मदद से भी he took a wicket in the series. In fact, उस मैच में he had just conceded 9 runs in the 2 overs that he bowled and took 1 wicket. So, in the place of a batting, bowling all-rounder, Shivam Dube fits perfectly in the T20 squad of India, if you ask me. That position earlier belonged to, or so far has belonged to Hardik Pandya. And while Pandya has contributed immensely, there is no denying उनका contribution बहुत खास रहा है in that position for all the matches that he has played in the past and the T20 World Cup of 2022. His current form is really in question. एक तो वो injury से उठकर आए हैं to IPL और उसके बाद with all that is going on in the Mumbai Indians camp about him replacing Rohit Sharma as a captain and the kind of support he's getting from the camp and the fans, not so much. That has somewhere mentally impacted him. और इसी वजह से if you see his current form, it's not really up to the mark. There are matches in which he concedes many runs as a bowler. अपने आप को कुछ मैचेस में तो उन्होंने बॉलिंग के लिए बिल्कुल as a captain decision लेके लाया ही नहीं. He chose other bowlers over him. And as far as batting is concerned, so he has been getting out in some pre-teen scores like 10, 12, many times. If you see him on the field, you know that he is not the Hardik Pandya that we all know and have loved from once upon a time. So I feel that taking him to the World Cup based on just his current form, the form that he is in right now, is a very questionable decision. It is a big risk if you ask me. So unless and until he does a complete turnaround in the rest of the matches that are left in this tournament and comes out really strong and plays some amazing knocks और बहुत अच्छे runs बनाकर और खूब सारी wickets लेकर एक अच्छी छाप छोड़ जाए, मुझे नहीं लगता है कि हार्दिक पांड्या is a good choice if you ask me for the T20 World Cup squad. और इसीलिए शिवम दुबे जो इतनी अच्छी करंट फॉर्म में हैं और कंसिस्टेंटली परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, हार्दिक पांड्या के ऊपर उनको रिप्लेस करने के लिए एक अच्छी चॉइस होंगे. द वन थिंग दैट मैटर्स इन द बैटिंग स्टैटिस्टिक्स इन अ T20 फॉर्मेट इज द स्ट्राइक रेट. इसी स्ट्राइक रेट की वजह से समवेयर कोहली भी क्वेश्चन में है बिकॉज दे ऑल आर सेइंग दैट ही इज प्लेइंग हिज इनिंग्स रियली स्लो. जबकि उस बात पे डिबेट हो सकता है कि वो किस टाइप की इनिंग्स थी, किस पिच पे इनिंग्स थी. I personally feel that all those people who are questioning him are wrong. उसी तरह से अगर शिवम दुबे को देखा जाए तो his strike rate is amazing. And yes, the knock yesterday did not come in a winning cause, पर उन्होंने बहुत सारे winning totals में contribute किया है CSK के लिए. So while what happened yesterday was what happens in T20 very often, we cannot rule him out and call him or blame him for the loss कि उन्होंने थोड़ा और फास्ट रन्स बनाए होते या ज्यादा रन्स बनाए होते. I personally don't feel so. I think he did his best. I think he did what was required. It's just that Marcus Stoinis on the other side had different plans and he ruined CSK's plans. So this was not his day. That's all I can say. But in terms of considering him for the T20 World Cup squad, I am very, very, very sure that the selectors are really, really looking at him, and I seriously, personally hope that they really consider him and they take him to the World Cup because मुझे लगता है कि he is going to have a very, very impactful World Cup. I personally feel that he looks like Yuvraj Singh, he bats like Yuvraj Singh, and he will be a similar impactful player जैसे युवराज सिंह थे in the World Cup that we won, the T20 World Cup of 2007. बल्कि मुझे तो पूरा यकीन है कि he is going to hit 6 sixes also in one over. Let's see to which bowler, which side. So that's my opinion about Shivam Dube and his inclusion in the World Cup squad. Do let me know what you think. आपके क्या opinion है? आपको क्या लगता है? Please मुझे जरूर बताइएगा comments में. That's all from me today. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video also. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye-bye.